Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another video, guys. So today video, guys, is going to be very different from the videos that you used to. The video for today, guys, is going to be very different. So guys, listen to me. Today I got this plug, guys, and I feel like I want to plug everybody because I know some of traders, they are being held back to start trading because of the capital. So I got this hot deal, guys, that I wanna let you guys know today, so that you guys won't be able to sleep on the deal. You know what I'm saying? So make sure don't sleep on the deal. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you catch this deal right here that I'm about to explain to you, make sure you take it. You know what I'm saying? So this is your opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Don't miss it out. You know what I'm saying? I did my part. I tried to explain the deal to you. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you catch it. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to the deal. All right. So the deal is this, right? This broker right here is giving, you know, say, this is a hot deal which is going to end. What is the date today? I think today is. Let me check. Let me check the date for today, guys. You know, say it's like. All right. Today is 12th January. All right. So the deal is going to end on the 15th, which means we got 3 days, which is left. So as soon as you're watching this video, you can take this deal right here. All right. So if you've been not trading, you know, say if you've been not being able to trade just because you don't have no capital, this broker right here is offering uh, it's offering double of your money, which means you open the real account, and then after you're done opening the real account, it's going to give you the free welcome bonus 100%. All right, which means if you deposit $50, it's going to appear in your account $100. If you open your account with $200, I mean you deposit $200 in the account, in your real account, it's going to appear $400. If you deposit, your first deposit is going to be $500, it's going to appear in your account $1,000, which means you have enough capital to start trading with. You know what I'm saying? So this is the deal, guys, for today. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you catch it. It's only 3 days which is left. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man, let me just plug you guys on YouTube, and so that you can be able to catch this deal right here. So listen, if you wanna open the real account, so I'm gonna leave the link on the description for the broker, which you can use to be able to double your deposit. You know what I'm saying? It's only 3 days, guys. You know what I'm saying? And this is the recommended broker, which it's a good one. I use him. I love him. It's good. It's a good one for sure. So I'm gonna leave the link on the description below. So I hope you like the video, and if you think like the video is helpful, guys, make sure you do the right things. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying, for the next content. You know what I'm saying. And as you know, guys, on this channel we got many tips, I offer you guys a lot of things because I know how it feels like when you're still beginner, when you're still trying to learn how to trade. You know what I'm saying. That's why I'm offering you guys different, you know what I'm saying, different tips, just for you guys to be able to start trading as well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't want to be selfish, man, for sure. So make sure don't sleep on the deal. Make sure you take the deal. You know what I'm saying? It's a hot one for sure. You know? Yeah, that's what it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And tomorrow, guys, remember it's a Friday. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow is a Saturday, Sunday. We're gonna be back on the market in the market on Monday. So make sure in the weekend, make sure don't sleep. You know what I'm saying? Make sure keep chasing the chart, keep reading the chart. This is how you're going to become profitable, and this is how you're going to be able to fix your future and your freedom. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing's going to give you the freedom, guys, as a forex for sure. So let's get to the next lesson. Make sure you watch the full video. The key level in a forex market. Maybe you might be hearing like, oh, the key level, key levels, key levels, key levels. We're gonna enter the market after the market reach the key level, but you won't understand the meaning of the key levels, right? So this video, guys, I want to make it easy for you. I want to explain you everything. I want to take you through the chart and then teach you the key levels of the market. Then next time you already know, oh, I need to wait the market until it reach the key level before I sell the currency, or I need to wait the market until it reach the key level before I buy the currency. So let's take a look, where is the key level in the forex market, right? So first thing first, before you find the key level, you have to understand the movement of the market, right? As you can see, this one right here, is not moving on downtrend and it's not moving on uptrend. This one is moving in a between support and resistance. This is what I can see, all right? Because before you do the analysis, you have to see first the movement of the market. So you can see here we got our first key level right here. This one was the first key level right here, and this is another key level right here, all right? And this is another key level right here. So since we got these three key levels, we're gonna connect them together. Then we'll see what we're gonna find, all right? So let's do this. Let's put some zone right here. Then we'll see what we have after we're done putting some zone, all right? So this is the first zone. So now we can see here the market give us the first touch right here, and it gave us the second touch right here, and gave us the 30 touch. So this is the key level. When we talk about the key level, since we got the second touch right here, we were like, okay, so let's wait the market to come back to this key level right here to give us some 30 touch. Then we're gonna enter as a sell. So every single day you will see some 3 touches to the zone like this. This is I recommend you guys so much this one, because this is a powerful strategy for sure. You know, it's a special if you're using a price action, all right? So whatever you find the 30 touch on the zone, just enter the lower time frame. Once you get the confirmations candlesticks on the lower time frame, is your time to make money, right? So let's see what we're gonna, let's chrome this one, and you can see here we got another, you know, say we got another zone right here. So which means the market is been moving in between this zone right here and this zone right here. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, we had you know what I'm saying, we came from here, the market came from this point right here, gave us this touch right here, and then we got this touch right here. You feel what I'm saying? And we got this touch right here, and we got this touch right here, and now we got this touch right here. So if you're watching, you can tell what is going to be the next, you feel me, what is going to be the next move, you feel me? So obvious, you can see that the next move, I'm going to show you something that is going to happen, and if it didn't happen same as I'm about to show you, I'm going to show you what you're going to expect next. You know what I'm saying? First thing first, you know how we do, smash that like button, because this is the most important things you need to learn. You know what I'm saying? And I'm showing you everything, no cap. So as you got the first touch, you feel me, you can see here we got the first touch right here. As we got the first touch and second touch and 30 touch, all right? Straight up, guys, this is what we're expecting right now. You feel what I'm saying? We're expecting something like this, the market to shoot up here. And if the market is gonna shoot up here and the black this is on right here, you know what I'm saying, that means we're going to wait for the pullback here at the zone and continue with the trend. You feel what I'm saying? And if it didn't happen like that, we're going to wait for we're going to wait for I mean, if it didn't happen like that, let's just say like the market just decide to break on downtrend like that. Hey, we're still gonna expect the same thing. It's gonna break out, and then maybe around this point right here, the market is gonna test at the same zone, guys, at the same zone. And then after that, the market is gonna continue on downtrend, easy like that. So when the market break out, right here, you can either not even enter the market, but this is going to be your entry point. After the market give you the pullback, this is where you're going to enter the market. You know what I'm saying? Let the market break out, let it break out, but deep down you have to understand that okay, it's still going to come back at the same zone. And as soon as the market come back to the zone, this is where you're going to enter the market and make the profit easy like that. This is what you're going to do. Let me show you what you're going to do. All right, after the market give you the pullback, you know what I'm saying, put your stop loss, you know what I'm saying, and enter the market. Do something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. But so far right now, guys, we still wait. We still hope. You know what I'm saying? We still hope that the market is going to shoot on uptrend, since we got 30 touch. You know, since we got 30 touch at this point, we still hope that the market is going to do something like this. You know what I'm saying? Something like this. We still hope that the market is going to do something like this. All right, you know. And if the market didn't, couldn't, but because hey, you can see that here we got already confirmation candlestick right here. We got already confirmation candlestick right here, which means this is the confirmation that the market is about to shoot on uptrend up to this point right here. You feel what I'm saying? So this is the meaning of the key levels, guys. This is the meaning of the key levels in the forex market. This is the meaning of the key levels. When somebody tell you like, yo, wait the market at the key level, and after the market reach at the key level, then this is where you're going to enter the market from the key level. So if you like this kind of video, guys, please let me know, you know what I'm saying, and leave the comment below so that you know, I'll be able to understand like, yo, okay, cool, they like it. And if you like it, leave the comment below. If this makes sense, leave the comment below. If you guys want more videos like this, leave the comment below. Everything, you know, you have to leave the comment below so that I know what you guys want, you know what I'm saying. Otherwise, I'm good by my own. So I'm trying to make you guys understand about the market. So you have to leave the comment below so that I know that you like the video or not. So peace out, guys. See you on next one. All right.